Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we have a special guest. Who's my special guest?
Gage!
Gage! This is my godson. You guys have seen him on my channel quite a few times, and he is going to be doing my makeup today for a super fun video. He's got his tools, he's ready. Do you know what you're gonna do? Do you know what kind of look you've got in mind?
Yep.
He knows, he's ready. He's an artiste, aren't you?
Yep, I'm an artist.
Are you a makeup artist?
Yep. And I always did my Morphe because he always needed help, so I started a foundation now, so it's done.
He's got it. So we're gonna get ready to get started. So without further ado, if you would like to see this cutie patootie do my makeup, then let's just go ahead and get started.
So we started out the foundation all over the face, and then when we're done, we want to start everything else.
That sounds good. So hold on, let me mix this together, and then you can go to town.
Done?
Done, that's it?
Yeah, cause look, cause your whole face.
That's my whole face?
Yeah, your whole cheeks and your chin, and then all the right here, a lot right there, a little bit.
You think it's good? Is it all the way blended in?
Yep, it's blended right there.
All right, well, if we're blended and we're good to go, then you are the boss.
So let's do this now.
See, like this?
Yep.
All right, do you want to decide where you want to put that?
Yep. I already know.
You already know. So we're gonna go in with concealer.
There.
There?
All over your nose.
Okay, you gonna blend it in, or you just gonna leave it like that?
I'm gonna leave it like that.
Okay, whoops, sorry, I got a little foundation on you.
There's no foundation.
That's on your arm. My bad.
So now we have to put this away.
Wipe it on my pants, not my dresser, stink.
Now we're done with the foundation.
All right.
So I'm gonna go away.
Here.
So right now.
Okay, so what?
Now I'm gonna do the different brush.
Here, so we need to set it so it doesn't go anywhere. So there's some powder for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm always a makeup artist, so I already know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Now I'm ready. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Okay, is that it?
Mm-hmm. That's all the powder that I had on my brush. Put down now. Let's put this away.
You want me to put it over here too with your other brush that you're done with?
Done.
You're quick. Okay.
I know.
Do you want to brush them out with that?
Yeah. They're a little bit messed up.
That's all right.
Done.
All right, cool. We'll set this over here then.
Yeah, let's put that away.
All right, and then you can set them with that.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Don't cry because I'm not really good at this kind.
Feels pretty good to me, buddy. Wow, very nice. Those are actually really nicely set down brows. Look at there.
Now I'm gonna do some of this.
Do you know what that is?
No.
That's called highlighter.
We're gonna do some highlighter.
Oh yeah, oh bro, I didn't even give you any bronzer. I didn't even set any out for you. I'm so sorry. I'll give you some of this. We'll use the Nars one since it's here.
We're gonna use some of that, okay?
That's blush,
Yeah.
but okay. Do you want to use my blush brush?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put some right here.
Okay. On like my lower jaw?
Yep.
Okay. What is that doing, do you think?
It means it's getting all the stuff that's on you all covered up.
Cool. That sounds like it's pretty good.
Done.
Done.
So let's put this away.
Do you want to do some bronzer?
Bronzer.
Yep.
So what does this do? Yeah.
So that makes me look like I have a tan, like I'm kind of glowy.
Yeah.
Do you want a big fluffy brush?
I'm doing that. I'm gonna get one of these.
All right, cool. That's the brush?
Mm-hmm. The brushes I need.
That's the brush that you need?
Yep. I've been in this makeup place that I already know what I'm doing because my makeup friends teach me how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I'm doing.
Who are your makeup friends?
They never tell me the names, so.
Oh, but you just have friends?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, you're giving me that contour. Good job. I felt that going right down on the jawline. That was beautiful. Look at that.
I'm doing your eyebrows too.
Do my eyebrows. That's probably a good idea. Look at that. You see that contour getting on my chin and my gel? That was good. Beautiful.
It's over your chin a little bit.
That's okay. I can wash it. Who am I to construct the artiste? All right. Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so did you want to, I have this blush palette too, but you don't need that, do you?
I do.
You do need this one?
Because my friends, they teach me how to do everything. So we're going to get a different brush this time. We'll use this brush.
Okay.
It goes through this.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Where's this go?
Well, blush is for your cheeks.
Now we got a different color.
Different color?
Mm-hmm. So this one is going to be pink this time.
Mm-hmm. You're really going in there. You're getting that pigment, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Here you go.
Okay.
The next cheek.
Oh man, yes, we're gonna have two different colors. It's like my Fenty video, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, you watched that, didn't you?
Yep.
Can I ask you a couple questions while you do my makeup?
Yep.
Can you tell them how old you are?
5.
5. Can you tell them, what is your favorite color?
Blue and green.
Blue and green too. Never just pick one. What's your favorite thing to do?
I like playing on my tablet and my camera and taking pictures because that's one of my jobs.
Photographer. So I have, this was another blush palette, but do you need that?
Yep, I do.
Okay. Many options for blush. You know I'm a blush hoe, right?
Yep. So this is orange kind.
Okay.
So it's going like over the stuff.
Just kind of blend it out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're right. Good call. We always gotta blend. Good job.
Now I'm going to do some purple and red.
Okay. Mix them all together. Yeah, make a custom color.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
It's going to be like a costume.
Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Now next cheek. Yeah, the Decay highlighter, and this brush is going to be so cool.
That is the highlighting brush.
So this brush is flat, so you just dunk it.
It's called a fan brush.
It's a fan brush.
Yeah.
So we just put it in this and just dust it around there.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have to put it on the cheek. Now can I go to the other one?
Okay.
I'm doing this one.
All right, that sounds good.
I'm just mixing it together.
That's fine.
Done.
Oh, sorry, where are you going?
So this is gonna make some redness. So there. Now we're doing some eyes.
Okay, so here's your options for eyes. I have this big palette right here that looks like this.
Yeah, let's do that.
I knew you'd like that one. So he's gonna use the Morphe Dare to Create palette.
Mm-hmm.
And you know eyeshadows go on your eyeball, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is glittery. This is so glittery.
It is so glittery. It's pretty,
Ready?
isn't it? Yeah, okay, I'll show my eyes.
My mommy's going like this.
Yeah, I feel you blending in that crease.
Now this brush is done with the glittery.
Mhm.
We're gonna do some blue glitter
All right.
for the side. Now we're doing gray glitter. It's kind of black. Now we'll do some normal eyelash. Now let's do the other one. Can you just don't, breathe from your nose on my hand?
You can't hold my breath.
Done.
How you want me to hold my breath? That's a really odd request.
Now all of these colors are done.
Are you done with my eyes? Is that it? Do you,
Now we're moving on to pink.
do you want to try mascara?
With mascara.
That goes on my eyelashes. That's not it. This is it. Do you want to try or do you feel not comfortable with that?
I'm feeling it.
You feel like you're pretty comfortable with that? Okay, now listen to me. You have to be very careful because this goes near my eyeball. Okay, I'm trusting you a lot.
Like this.
Yeah.
I kind of hurt.
Those are my eyelashes.
But eyeballs or eyelash.
Eyelashes. It goes with my eyelashes.
Look at that. You look like a zombie.
Is that what you were going for?
Yeah, that was doing everything.
Okay, hey look, you don't have to use that, so you can pick from any of these lip colors over here.
Okay.
Any of them. Do you want to go pick out one?
Yeah.
Here, go up and around.
This is where the artist is it.
All right.
Oh wait. It looks like it almost looks like you're getting married. Almost.
Is this what you think is how I should do my makeup on my wedding day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like that. There.
That it? Should I like?
Yeah. You look good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is that? Oh, here. Do we need to set it? Like make sure it stays here.
Yeah. What does that do?
It's setting spray, so it locks all your beautiful creation in place further away from my face. It sprays out like water.
You only had to do, and then you have to do your, we're gonna do your nails after this.
You gotta do my nip?
Yep. Now artists do. Done. You look beautiful.
You think so? Let's zoom in and see. Hold on, look. Let's zoom them in. Do you want to tell them about what you did?
So I made her look like a vampire that's getting married.
Wow, thank you. In your world, I am in a relationship. That's very thoughtful of you. You know Alyssa doesn't have anybody, right?
Yeah, like me. Not a buddy like me.
Yeah, you're single too, huh?
Yep.
Single team forever. Okay, well, are you ready to end this video then? Is this it? Are you done?
No. We're just doing your nails.
We can do my nails after.
Yeah.
You want to finish out this video? All right, ready? Okay, anyways, you guys, this is Gage's final makeup look. We really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, you guys know the drill. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe,
and look at how beautiful.
Sure, do that too. You can also come follow me on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.
Give me a kiss. Mwah. I love you so much. Goober head.